we are reading the book Plant Secrets by Emily Goodman and illustrated by Phyllis Limbacher Tildes. Let's get it started. Plant Secrets. Beautiful flower there. These are seeds. You got pumpkin and pansy seeds, nasturtium, string bean seeds. You got some acorns over there, some peas. Some are big and round. Some are as small as specks of dust. Some have hard coats you can crack. Some are black, some are brown, some are pinkish, and some are striped. Let's check all these out. With our magnifying glass. But all these seeds have a secret. Hidden inside each seed is a tiny new plant. Put the seeds in soil. Give them water and sun and air. If they get everything they need, seeds can help their plants grow. Here are seeds of rose, oak, pea, and tomato. Can you tell which is which? Not yet? Next come plants. After the seeds come the plants. Here are all the plants. Beautiful pink leaves there. Got a cactus. Some are taller than a person. Some are shorter than a cat. Some have green stems. Others have wood. Plants have different kinds of leaves. Some are round, like plates. Others are narrow, like needles. Some are thick and rubbery. Some are thin, like paper. But all these plants have a secret. Plants can grow flowers. Give them soil and sun and water and air. If they get everything they need, plants can make flowers. Here are 4 plants: rose, oak, pea, and tomato. Can you tell which is which? Rose, oak, pea, and tomato. Next come flowers. Some look like little suns, some look like balls of fuzz, some look like stars, others look like bells or bowls or feathers. Some flowers have many petals, some have none. They can be bright purple or blue or orange. They can be pale colors or brown. But all these flowers have a secret. Hidden each flower, are parts that can make a fruit. Give flowers sun and soil and water and air. Give them pollen from the right plant carried by wind or bee. If they get everything they need, flowers can grow into fruits. Here are flowers of rose, oak, pea, and tomato. Now can you tell which is which? Next come fruits. Lots of yummy fruits there. Some are red, some are green, some are brown, and some are purple. Some are good to eat, sweet and juicy. Some are sour. Some are not for eating at all. Some are soft. Some have a hard shell. Some grow in clusters. But all these fruits have a secret. Can you guess what's inside? Hidden inside fruits are, this is the rose, this is the pea, this is the oak, this is the tomato. Seeds! That's right, boys and girls. Each of these fruits have seeds. Plants have found many different ways to grow and reproduce. Most plants, like peas, oak trees, roses, and tomatoes, follow the stages described in this book: seed, plant, flower, and fruit. Some stages are more important to people: the flower stage of roses or the fruit stage of tomatoes, but all the stages are important to the plant. Seed. A seed is a packet holding a young plant and food for the plant to use as it sprouts. We know peas best in their seed stage. Peas are related to beans, wisteria vines, and redbud trees. All these plants have similar pea flowers, upper and lower lips of petals around an open mouth. Peas are originally from Europe and the Middle East and have been eaten there since prehistoric times. Today they are planted all around the world. We usually eat the seed, the pea, but some kinds of peas are bred to make the fruit, the pod, tender and tasty. You can grow fresh peas indoors on a windowsill. Plant. Once it has sprouted, a plant can make its own food from sunlight. People and animals cannot do this. We know oak trees in their plant stage. Oak trees. Oak grow in many parts of the world. There are some of the largest trees in the forest and can live to be hundreds of years old. Many kinds of oak grow strong, hard trunks that can be used to make almost any wooden object people need: houses, furniture, wood floors, ships, wagons, barrels, or tools. Oak seeds found inside the acorn, the fruit, are eaten by many kinds of animals: bears, deers, birds, ducks, and of course squirrels. Even people can eat certain kinds of acorns if they are made into flour for bread. Flower. Flowers help the plant reproduce. When we think of a flower, we usually picture its petals. But for other parts, flower can grow into a fruit after the petals fall off. We know roses best for their flower stage. Roses are part of a large family of plants that includes apples, cherries, almonds, peaches, and hawthorn trees. We usually grow roses for their beautiful flowers, and those kinds often don't form fruits, but other kinds of roses still produce fruits from flowers. These fruits, called rose hips, are usually red and look a little like small apples. Rose hips are high in vitamin C. They taste sour, so they're not good to eat by themselves, but people make jelly and tea from them. Birds, foxes, raccoons, and many other animals eat rose hips. Fruit. A fruit is a container for new seeds. Some containers are soft and good to eat. Animals eat them and drop the seeds on the ground. Other containers are hard. They protect the seeds through hot and cold weather until they're ready to grow. We know tomatoes best in their fruit stage. Tomatoes are originally from South America, Central America, and Mexico. Tomato flowers are leaves that look like those of deadly nightshade, a European plant with poisonous fruits. When explorers first brought tomatoes to Europe, people there were afraid to eat them because they thought tomato fruits might be poisonous too. To scientists, tomatoes are fruits because they are part of the plant that contains the seeds. But because tomatoes don't taste sweet, most people think of them as vegetables. And that is the end. The dedication is to his mother. Okay? That is the end of this wonderful book, Plant Secrets. Till next time.